What are the 5 categories of real estate? Please like this video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Rubina, for more videos. In general, real estate can be divided into 5 main categories. 1. Residential real estate. This category includes single-family homes, townhouses, condominiums, and apartments. It is intended for people to live in and is the most common form of real estate. 2. Commercial real estate. This category includes properties that are used for business purposes, such as office buildings, retail centers, warehouses, and hotels. These properties are usually larger than residential properties and generate income through rent or lease payments. 3. Industrial real estate. This category includes properties that are used for manufacturing, production, research and development, and storage. These properties are typically large warehouses or factories. 4. Agricultural real estate. This category includes land that is used for farming or ranching. This type of property is often used for growing crops, raising livestock, or other agricultural purposes. 5. Special use real estate. This category includes properties that have a specific use, such as schools, churches, hospitals, and government buildings. This type of property is often used for a specific purpose and may have unique zoning or use restrictions. It's worth mentioning that this categorization is not an exhaustive one, and there are other types of real estate categories based on the property use, zoning and location, but these are the most common ones.